Here's a demonstration of a little exercise I just had to go through. What do you do when you need to format your only hard drive, your main hard drive in your computer? You can't do that from the operating system because it'll say, no, you can't format this drive because this is the drive that you're running the operating system from. So what you need to do is to come up with a way to format the boot drive of your computer. And the way you start is with make yourself a Windows repair disk. In this case, I have a 32-bit Dell Vostro computer. I made a 32-bit repair disk. You go to the update section of the Windows 7 utilities, and you find the place where it says make a repair disk, and you make a repair disk. This disk will boot. So what you want to do is put this disk into the computer and then boot it, and then from that you can format the hard drive. I'm going to open the DVD, and I'm going to put in the repair disk, and I'll close that, and now we've got it loaded in the computer. Okay, the next thing you want to do is restart the computer. Come down here, I select restart, and away it goes. I'll use the F12 key to select the boot menu, and then when that comes up I need to select the drive and restart it, and boot from the DVD. It's shutting down. Alright, here comes the startup, here comes the boot sequence. I hit the F12 key until I get the menu. Here's entering the boot menu. I select this drive right here where I put the disk. Select that, and I hit that, and now it's going to reboot, and it's going to boot from the DVD. This is the software that's running is the software that's on the DVD and not on the hard drive. So we've now booted the computer aside from the hard drive. The hard drive is not the boot disk anymore. Takes a little while for Windows to load all its files. Let it do that. So various things will come up now, and you got to make the correct selection. Microsoft Corporation does this. Remember, this is software that's running off of the DVD and not the hard drive. Let it go through that. A little patience is required here. Okay, select the keyboard. Yes, that's right. Next. Doesn't matter what you do here. Searching for Windows installations. It's going to find that Windows 7 is installed. We're going to hit this, next, and we're going to come down here and we're going to select the command prompt. It'll come up with the command prompt. You see right here from this that we are not running from the hard drive. We're going to format the hard drive. So the hard drive is C:, oops, I have to type correctly, colon. Now it needs the name of the hard drive, and well, first of all you have to answer yes to this. So this is yes. Now it wants, well, maybe it didn't. In this case, it did not ask. It did not ask for the name of the volume. It didn't ask for the volume name, so maybe it was set up without a volume name the last time. So now it says 0% complete, and it's off and running. The only other time I've ever done this, it took about 2 hours to format a 500 gigabyte drive. So we'll just let this run, and then presently the job will be finished. And so that's how you format the hard drive.